Nagbabalik ang mix and match. Sa mundo nga naman ng pageantry, madalas nating nakikita ang mga kandidato on stage. Pero bawat ngiti at postura nila ay may isang taong naglalakbay na nagsasakripisyo at patuloy na nangarap. Ngayon, kilalanin natin ang lalaking nasa gitna ng kanyang laban para sa Mr. Philippines International 2026. Samahan niyo kaming kilalanin ang ating espesyal na bisita, si Mr. Henry Tornea Canervico Jr. Welcome, Mr. Henry!
Thank you for having me.
Grabe, alam mo, napaka-presko niya talaga, guys. Talagang bagong gupit. Alam mo, para kang si Kendall. Parang human living Barbie ba? Barbie ng Kendall, no?
Si Pinoy Ken.
Pinoy Ken, oo. Tapos, ang tangkad niya, guys, anong height mo?
6'3" po ako.
6'3", imagine 6'3". Ginamit ko na yung yung heels ko na taas pero hindi pa rin kinaya talagang ang tangkad niya. So, kumusta ka, Mr.
I'm doing great,
Henry?
thank you. How are you?
Well, I'm good. Ito, pressure. Kasi talagang sabi ko, alakas, Englishan na naman to for sure. Kasi nga, you are half, mo,
So,
pinanggalingan?
I'm half Filipino and half Finland.
Finland, guys. From Finland po siya. So, ayun, ano yung mga ganap mo ngayon? Aside sa pagsali ng beauty pageant na ito, sa Mr. Philippines International, other things that you've been doing?
To be honest with you, ano lang naman ako eh. Since the competition is near, which is in August 2,
August? Okay, I thought, what's that, June?
June 20 is welcoming po. Welcoming
I see.
welcoming and ceremony of Mr. Philippines 2026.
Oh, I see. Okay. So, we have a lot of friends here messaging me. They're asking, especially mga girls, kasi sobrang inaabangan ka talaga ng mga girls. There's so much kilig talaga. Like, oh my God, ang gwapo naman ng guest mo today. Like, oo. And then, they ask if you're single. Someone is nagpapatibok ng puso mo ngayon? Ano?
Sa ano yun po, yes, I'm single. For now, I'm not into relationships pa naman.
Why? I wanna know.
Sa akin lang kasi, when it comes to relationship, it has to be committed. You have to commit into relationship. So, sana yun muna, mahalin ko muna sarili ko. And to focus on myself para walang distractions. No? So, yun lang naman.
Ang galing, guys, pang international talaga yung sagutan ni Mr. Henry, ano? Tell me, who is Mr. Henry Tornea?
Yeah, sino ako as a Henry? So,
Pakilala ka muna, introduce mo muna yung sarili mo.
wala
Your
ko po
age.
si Henry Tornea Canervico Jr. Representing two nationalities, Republic of the Philippines saka Finland. And so basically I was born here dito sa Pasig, Philippines. And actually ever since my father passed away,
Really? Sorry.
pero nung bata pa naman ako, nung I was 2 years old, so it did not affect my childhood naman. So, nung 2 years old ako, nalipat kami sa Finland with my mother. So, doon sa Finland naman, doon ko na kuha yung childhood ko. I was graduated there sa business college, international marketing yung course ko. And after my graduation, I served in Finnish Military Defense Forces as a military police.
Talagang mandatory doon?
Mandatory yung para sa lalaki. Tapos sa females naman, it's optional. Pero if ever you don't want to serve the military, then you have to serve in community service.
I see.
Yeah.
Ang galing, ano? Talagang nag-military. Obvious naman. Do you know what, guys? Nung una ko siyang nakita doon sa Demelate Resto Bar, kasi pumunta sila doon na with her tita, the manager. Nung nung pagpasok pa lang ng pintuan, pag ganun ko, talagang napalingon ako pangalawa. You are captivating, irresistible. Talagang, yung itsura mo, no? Talagang napatingin ako, para kang Barbie na, Barbie, palagi ko sinasabing Barbie, like Kendall talaga. Malakas yung sex appeal mo, you're very appealing. Do you believe that?
Well, ayoko naman maging kampante dyan, pero I feel naman na may appearance naman ako. And I don't want to be so arrogant about it. Pero at the end of the day, I'm happy naman when it comes to my appearance and overall with my looks. So, yeah.
Yes.
And especially the height. It's an advantage naman.
What is your yung ultimate goal mo this after sa Mr. International?
Well, my ultimate goal is actually Well, as we talk naman, ayaw ko naman maging kampante sa opinion ng ibang tao by hearing
Yeah.
them saying, sigurado mananalo ka or ganon. I don't want to be sobrang kampante dyan. Kasi when it comes to competitors, there are actually good competitors also.
Yeah.
Good looking, they have good appearance, they know how to talk. So, pero overall, whatever is the results from there, I will still strive for being a model or at
Model?
least maging artista.
Wow.
Kahit commercials.
Yeah.
I'm open for everything naman.
I'm so excited for your journey. Talaga nakikita ko may nakita ko sa batang to na, alam mo yun, bright future sa showbiz, sa industry na ganito, no? Kasi, and also hindi ka pa nga lang nagsisimula sa mga ganyang but you're such an humble. Napaka-humble mo, which is napaka-importante po yan sa industriyang ito, no? And that is the thing, one thing na na-appreciate ko sa'yo. You're very, alam mo ano yung ginagawa mo. Hindi ka tulad ng iba na mga mayayabang, no? That is good. How's the preparation in this beauty pageant? Male pageant, yeah.
Well, yeah. Well, first of all, when it comes to preparing for this national competition, syempre, ang hirap din. Ang hirap naman
What
din.
makes it hirap?
Kasi nga, it's not like a closed-door event. It's national event. So, basically, doon pa lang, it's live. May maraming tao doon nanonood sa'yo. So, when you're on the stage, talaga yung spotlight nasa sa'yo.
Oo.
And I think that's the pressure part, knowing that there is hundreds or even tens of thousands people watching.
Oo.
So, pero I think overall, I can manage it naman. Because I'm very good at managing my emotions nowadays. Saka, just go for it. Andito na ako eh. Kaya, laban lang naman. And the way I also prepare is to be with my loved ones. To hear their advices. And overall naman sa support from my
Yeah.
family. Yung mga cheering, no?
Yeah. So what was the unforgettable advices na nakuha na tanggap mo na you like it and then dala-dala mo until now from your parents?
Well, especially sa mother ko.
Say hi to muna to your mom.
Hi ma, love you.
Oh,
Ma, miss you.
napaka-sweet.
My mother is in Finland kasi she's not in Philippines. So ma, I love you. If ever you're watching this now, as I said, I love you, I miss you. And tell Milo I said hi, okay?
Talaga.
Milo is my dog. So
What? Milo?
my dog.
Oh, I see. I have my dog also, Ovaltine.
Oh,
His
really?
name, yeah. And you're Milo. Nag-culture shock ka ba when you got here in Philippines? The first time you got here, like, iba yung, di ba kasi you are matangkad, so lahat ng atensyon nasa sayo. Parang nagulat ka ba? Kasi,
Sa tutuusin, hindi naman sa culture shock kasi nga,
hindi ba siya?
despite I lived in Finland, I live still in a household of a Filipino culture. Since I was raised by a Filipina mother, syempre na-observe ko na-adapt ko na sa isip ko simula nung bata pa naman ako. Yung culture of Filipino, pagkain ng Filipino, yung boses nila. So,
Familiar.
parang mabuhay talaga eh. Kasi palagi pang nasa bahay ako, yung mga titas ko nakaka-karaoke, andun naman yung mga titos.
Talaga?
So, talaga may spirit yung bahay. Kaya, pero, I'm gonna be honest with you, being here, the only thing that really nahirapan lang ako mag-adjust is the heat.
Yeah, kahit naman kami. Kahit laking bundok ako, pero talagang mainit na talaga ngayon. Iba na yung panahon ngayon, no? So, paano mo inaalagaan yung sarili mo para maiwasan yung ganyan ka, super heat wave, maiwasan magkasakit? Ano ginagawa mo? Lalo na, papalapit na yung competition mo.
Well, sa tutuusin, it's all about maintaining your health lang naman by going to the gym.
Oh.
Pero yung first week ko dito kasi, syempre, nainitan ako Doon sa amin sa Finland, negative doon -10.
Yeah.
Makaabot na sa -20 pa yun
So, kung papiliin ka, babalik dito or babalik ka doon?
Dito na lang.
Kung weather.
Dito
diba?
na lang.
Oo. So, the weather lang yung problem talaga dito, no? May insecurities ba si Mr. Henry? Yun yung tatanungin natin, kung may insecurities ka. If you have
I guess yung insecurity ko dati pa lang to
yeah.
Nung bata pa ako, syempre hiyayin ako I was a shy kid. So,
Really?
especially when it sa stage,
Nabubully
Or
ka ba?
Ha?
Nabubully ka ba doon sa school?
Actually, no, never.
Really?
I was never bullied.
Oo. Kasi takot sila sa'yo kasi ang tangkad mo. Isang bilwal lang yan eh. Di ba?
Pero when it comes to insecurities naman, wala naman. I guess, common naman yung body. Pero sa ngayon, hindi naman ako insecure sa body ko eh.
Talaga.
For now. Kasi nga, nung bata pa lang ako, for those who knows me well, syempre payat akong dati.
Talaga?
Like, mas payat pa kasi na yun.
Alam mo, nag-stalk ako sa Facebook mo, parang si Justin Bieber. Yeah,
Not
in-stalk
my
mo.
first time hearing.
Yeah, Justin Bieber nung kabataan niya, guys. Tapos yung hair mo kasi may pa-flip pa talaga. Yeah, pero syempre nag-iba yung looks mo ngayon. The more you become a real man and handsome. So kung gwapo, pugi, and tisoy, alin ka dyan?
Ano ako dyan? Sa tingin ko, I guess guwapo ako.
Yeah.
Yun lang naman.
Wala
sa
kang
akin.
pagpipilian, no?
Ano
So,
yun?
wala kang pagpipilian, doon ka na lang talaga sa gwapo. Kasi pogi, tisoy. Same lang naman, pero iba talaga yung gwapo na.
Oh, sa tingin ko sa guwapo na lang ako.
Oh, kasi malakas yung sex appeal mo eh. Whole package.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was the biggest hesitation you had before signing up of this male pageant?
Hesitation ko?
Yeah, hesitation mo.
Well, I guess the thing that hesitated me, kasi nga, balak ko maging model.
Oh,
From model to video commercials. From there, at least maging artista. Kahit extra lang muna. You know, just to gain that experience, feel the environment, and moving forward from there. Pero yung, when it comes to being Mr. Philippines, it's just, for me, it's not just like at being in pageant. It's more on exposure,
exposure na.
challenging myself, really believing in myself na alam mo ba kaya ko to. Kasi nga, dahil nga, iyayin ako nung bata pa ako eh. So, for me, being in this one of the biggest stage here in the Philippines, it's gonna be challenging but also blessing for me. Kasi nga, knowing that I can do this, so...
Yeah, very brave, Mr. Henry, no? How do you feel now that you are receiving compliments from people saying that you are so handsome or tall? How do you that? Nakaka-receive ka ba ng ganyan palagi na?
Palagi na eh.
Yeah.
It came to the point na parang wala na yan sa akin eh.
Yeah.
Kasi nung nasa...
Mamigay ka naman sa kanila ng kapugian mo at tangkad mo.
Pero nung nasa kindergarten pa naman ako,
Yeah.
I was the tallest already eh. Even nung sa elementary ako, middle school, I was the tallest. Pero nung nasa business college naman ako, kasi yung mga Finnish people, they are very tall naman din. They are much more taller than me.
Talaga? Meron
mga
ba?
6'4", 6'5".
Grabe, no? Pati mga babae din, may mga ganun.
Kahit yung mga babae din, maraming matangkad doon.
Hala, kailangan maghanap ako ng AFAM. Dapat mga Finnish pala kasi matatangkad. Imagine mga 6'4", 6 plus. No? Para maggawin kong Miss Universe yung anak ko. So, ayan, may mga girls ting nag-ask, who do you prefer na mga girls? Like morena, mestiza? Ano yung mga...
Sa tutuusin, okay lang naman sa akin kung kahit maitim ka.
Basta tao.
basta tao ka.
Oo. Ang daming nagka-crush sa'yo.
Talaga ba?
Yes. Oo, ang dami. Super. So, how do you feel about that? Say hi to them, mga girls.
Hello.
Nakakatuwa naman. No, what's your ideal woman? Mga preferences?
Ideal woman. Simple guy lang naman ako eh. So at the end of the day, yung hinahanap ko sa babae is understanding,
Wow.
trusting. Hindi siya sobrang selosa.
Oo. Yun ang Pilipina is very silosa.
Kaya mag-adjust na kayo.
Lalo na you're guwapo. Ang daming aaligid-aligid sa'yo. So talagang expected that Filipina some are silosa.
Yeah.
No?
Kasi if you have trust, saka understanding ka na, itabi mo na yung ugali na yan na being as a selos.
Si Mr. Henry ba, when it comes to relationship, you are strict or...
Siyempre, strict naman ako. Pero, I'm not strict in a way na parang bawal ka magpunta dyan or bawal ka mag-ganyan-ganyan.
Are you conservative?
Hindi naman. Ano lang naman ako, as I said, I'm a simple guy. Kaya sa akin, when it comes to relationships, ayoko mag-commit agad. So if ever maging boyfriend-girlfriend na tayo, for me, it will take 6 months to 1 year para makilala kita mabuti.
Ay,
And from there,
ganun. No?
pag kilala na kita mabuti, I feel comfortable, then I might commit. Hindi yung agad. Kasi,
Kakaiba ka rin, no? Like, very preserved.
yeah. Kasi
Tama
nga,
ba?
most of the people, they receive crush already less than 1 month. And within that less of a month, together na sila.
So, yan talaga yung culture nyo doon when it comes to courting? Like, may ganon? Or talagang, sa ano mo lang yan? Sa self mo?
I think there is a lot of guys who thinks the same naman as me.
Yeah.
I'm not sure here in the Philippines. I think meron naman din.
Dito ano lang,
na
24 hours.
Yeah. Pero ganyan lang naman yung standard ko talaga eh. Kasi nga,
Which is good.
that's the most problem that you will receive pag nasa relationship ka, pag agad na.
Yeah.
Kasi within 3 months, 4 months, mapapansin mo agad, ay, may mali pala dito. Or there are some things na might turn you off. And I think that's why you have to know someone before you commit. Kaya,
You know what I like about you is you have a standard. You know? May standard siya, mga girls ha, at saka he knows his worth. Hindi lang yung mga babae na, I know my worth, siya din. Di ba? Ganun naman talaga dapat eh. Kailangan hindi tayo pabugso-bugso, no? Ng damdamin. You know what's pabugso-bugso? Like,
No.
okay, assignment, pass it on Monday.